The aforementioned FIR was registered at Police Station Paschim Vihar on 14th April 2006 at the instance of the respondent number 2, complainant, who stated that on 23rd February 2005, while browsing through a matrimonial website, that is Sadi.com, she came into touch with the petitioner. During the email and telephone conversation with each other, the petitioner had presented himself to be a citizen of Canada and working as investment banker and earning income $140,000 a year. He informed the complainant that he was a divorcee and expressed his desire to marry the complainant. Since the parents of the complainant had also agreed to the proposal of the petitioner to marry her, the complainant too developed a strong instinct to marry the petitioner. The engagement ceremony was fixed for 6th November 2005 and the marriage was to be performed soon thereafter. The petitioner came to India on 25th October 2005 and the complainant along with her family members received him at the airport. During his stay at Paschim Vihar, Delhi on 26th October 2005, the petitioner invited the complainant to watch a movie at Chanakya Cinema Hall. Meetings were held at a common venue with the parents of both sides and engagement ceremony was performed on 6th November 2005, whereby valuable articles and ornaments were provided to the petitioner and his family members. It was presented to the complainant and her family members that soon after the marriage, the petitioner would return to Canada. The date of marriage was fixed for 14th April 2006. The complainant stated that after the engagement ceremony, she and the petitioner met on several occasions at their respective residences. On 9th November 2005, she was called telephonically at about 2:30 p.m. by Vinod Kumar Sachdev, the father of the petitioner, and asked to come along with the photocopies of the passport, ration card, bank passbook, etc. for the purpose of submitting the form for immigration to Canada so that the immigration process could be expedited. According to the complainant, in good faith and being unaware about their nefarious and evil designs of the petitioners and his relatives, she went to their residence at Paschim Vihar. It is stated that the father, mother, and grandmother of the petitioner took her to a separate room where the petitioner was already present and left her alone in that room. The petitioner offered the complainant a cold drink which she consumed. However, after 10 minutes of consuming the drink, she started feeling drowsy and became unconscious. When she regained her senses, the complainant was shocked to discover that all her clothes were lying scattered. When she inquired from the petitioner as to what had happened to her, and the petitioner told her that he had mixed some intoxicating substance in her cold drink and had established physical relations. The complainant states that she suffered a great mental shock and questioned the petitioner as to how he had dared to outrage her modesty and informed him that she would report the matter to the police. Stop.